Good morning, students. Welcome to this trigonometric ratios and Pythagorean theorem. This is a little advanced than the one we have done before. In this question, it says in the diagrams, you can see there is a diagram on the right. As a matter of fact, it's on my right side. Right, the rectangle. This is a rectangle, so these are all 90 degree. Okay, a rectangle ABCD is the cross section of a container which is leaning against a vertical wall. Vertical wall means this is the vertical perpendicular line on the ground. So this is the vertical line. QBP vertical line. The point A is on the horizontal ground and CR is a rope where R is on the ground. R is on the ground and QAR is a straight line. QB equal to 2.1 meter, QA equal to 2.8 meter, and AD equal to 2 meter. Now, when it's 2 meter, I know this is 2 meter as well because it's a rectangle. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. And CRA, okay, this one is given 30 degree. Let me write down all this information here. Calculate giving your answer to 1 decimal place. Okay, the length of AB. So length of AB. This is Pythagorean theorem. So AB is gonna be square root 2.8 square plus 2.1 square. Okay, I hope you know this formula. Actually, last few videos we are doing this. If you have A, B and C, opposite of B, capital B is a small b, this is C, this is A. So B squared equal to A squared plus C squared. We are using this formula over here. So using the calculator, 2.8 square plus 2.1 square, that's 49 by 4. That when we do this 7 by 2, that means 3.5 at 1 decimal place. That's centimeter. Okay, that's for AB, and AB is 3.5. I don't know if we need this or not. Just write down that 3.5 because it's a rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Now I need to find out CBP, this angle. So I need to find out this angle. Well, to find out this angle, if we are using right angle, then what happened? Let's say I'm gonna draw a line over here and let's put this one to be X. Okay, if this is X, okay, this is X, this is B, this is C. All I know is hypotenuse. This is right angle. Okay, this is perpendicular to that. So I need another information. This is 2. If I know this angle or this angle, I can use trigonometric ratio. Or if I have another side, then I could have used the Pythagoras theorem, this formula, but I got nothing. So I have to see some other ways. Now look at this. This line PBQ, that's straight line. I know this is 90 degree. I need to find out this one. If only I can find this angle, from 180 degree, I can subtract this to get this one. Got that? So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to find this one. And let's say this is theta. Okay. And I have all three sides. I have this. So I can use either anything I want. Sine, tan, cos. Because it's so toa. Sine means oppo over hypo. And cos means adjacent over hypo. And toa means oppo over adjacent. So I can use either one. I'm going to use sine theta. Sine theta equal to 2.8 by 3.5. Therefore, theta equal to sine inverse. So sine inverse is going to be 2.8 divided by 3.5. And I got 53.1 degree. So this theta equal to 53.1. Therefore, angle CBP would be 180 minus this is 90 plus this is 53.1, and that's gonna give me 90 minus 53, that's gonna be 36.9 at 1 decimal place, 36.9 degree. So that's this angle over here. Now the next question is the height of C above QAR. So above here, what is the perpendicular height over here? Most of the time students make a mistake that this is a excuse me, this is a rectangle, so probably diagonal is gonna be the height, but in this case it's not. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna show you that I'm gonna draw this line. Okay, this line. They're asking for this height. Okay. Now to find out this height, I don't have this value. Okay, I don't have this value. I have this. I don't have CR, so I cannot use trigonometric ratio over here. But I know this is 2.1. Okay, this line equal to this line. So if somehow I can find out this length XB, so from X, with XB, if I add this QB, then this QX equal to this C, let me put this one Y. Okay, this particular position is Y. So CY, the length we are asking. So since we don't have any other information, I'm going to find out XB, and with that length, I'm going to add this BQ, which is 2.1 meter. Then that's going to be my height of C above the QAR or the crown. Okay, so in this triangle, in triangle BXC, okay, I know this angle, I know this side. Okay, this is 2, and this angle we did find out 36.9. So I can use trigonometric ratio, adjacent over hypo. So adjacent over hypo, that's cos. So cos 36.9 equal to bx over 2. So bx gonna be 2 times cos 36.9. So 2 times cos 36.9, and that's gonna be 1 point, for the time being I'm gonna write down 1.5994. okay, and this required height is gonna be this particular place was 2.1, and that's gonna be 1.5994 plus 2.1, that's gonna be 3.7 meter. Okay, that's the height. Okay, now the length CR, I have to find out CR. Since I know this, I have this, now it's pretty simple. In triangle CYR, now oppo over hypo, so it's sine 30 equal to CA. CA is given 3/7, and I need to find out CR. Therefore CR gonna be 3.7 divided by sine 30. Sine 30 equal to half. So that sine 30 I got, it's 37 point that, or 7.4 meter. Okay, so this one is done. Length AR. Now this length AR, okay, not YR. YR was very easy. So what to do? Now easily I cannot get that one. Okay, but if you look closely, see that CY, from this triangle I can find out CY. With CY, if I add QY, and QY equal to CX, so we can find out CX from this. Okay, we know this one, BX was somewhere over here, 1.5994. I have two sides, I have angle, I have so many information, I can get CX. CX equal to QY. Now QY, and from this triangle I can find out YR. So if I add this QY and YR, that's gonna be QR. From QR, if I subtract QA, that's gonna give me AR. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna write down AR equal to QY plus YR. See that? QY plus YR, that makes QR minus QY. I'm going to add this to QY plus YR, QY, YR, and from that if I subtract QA, QA here, QA, then I'm going to get AR. Okay, so what is QY? QY is my CX, and CX I can find out, CX is gonna be 2 square minus 1.5994 square root, and that's gonna give me 2 square is 4 minus 1.5994 square, and square root of that, that's gonna give me 1.2. That's, I got that. Okay, and this is gonna give me I can use 10 So tan 30 is gonna be CA, that's the height, 3.7 over RY or YR. So YR is gonna be 3.7 divided by tan 30, and that's gonna give me 6.41. So we are ready over here. This QY equal to XC or CX, that's 1.2 plus YR is 6.41 minus QA already we know that 2.8. So it's going to be 1.2 plus 6.41 minus 2.8. Okay, that's going to give me approximately 4.81 meter. Okay, that's in meter. Okay, so that is little advanced trigonometric ratios and Pythagorean theorem problems. I hope you understand that. If you don't, please see the video once again, and still if you have any question, leave it in the comment box. I'll get back to you. Okay, thank you. Have a good day.